Hi there, Lisa here. So I thought I'd just do a quick video now that I've finished all of my February spreads. So this is a quick run through all my monthlies and my weeklies. So I don't normally do a title page, but thought I would this month. I'm really pleased with how this came out, and I think I'll probably do one again next month with a different theme. Next then, calendar page, just pulling main events. I've varied these over the month. I've gone from single page, double page, but just a simple one for this month. My forget-me-not or my to-do list, so everything goes here first, and then I move it either into a weekly or into the future log, depending on where it goes. And once I've moved it, I cross it off. For anyone that follows Get Things Done, this effectively is my inbox. No particular theme, so the colours do change as we go through. I just on the day decided which washi to use and found a pen that matched. So bills, capture what I need to pay. What I like about this is I put in the day that it's paid, so at any point in the month I can have a look and see what's outstanding and still to pay. Meal planner, I do a monthly meal planner. I do start by putting everything in pencil, and then as I do my weekly shop and list for my weekly shop, I put things in pen. Monthly review, I've gone back to, so I went single page for the last couple of months, but I've gone back to a double page because I found the space a bit restricting. So this gives me 2 lines for each day, so I can reflect and get gratitude in there as well. I do love this washi tape. Onto my trackers, and I've condensed now into just 2 trackers. My habit tracker, last couple of months, again something different. I've gone for single calendar boxes, but I've gone just for the 1 box habit tracker for this month. And a health tracker. So this one actually has my moods, it has my sleep, and some other symptoms that I want to keep track of during the month. I like them all in one place because actually you can see the correlations between sleep, mood, and whether I'm getting a headache or what have you. So first time I put all of this in one tracker this month, so see how that feels. And then on to my weeklies. I have got plan with me videos for all of these if you want to see how I created them. And with my weeklies I decided to try different colours that I wouldn't normally use. So brown for this. I do 1-page weeklies because I've got my meal planning and my main to-do list and my trackers in my monthlies. These become just my to-do lists for the week. So and I like this because you can see the 2 weeks at the same time. So that's first 2 weeks, and then the second 2 weeks going in with black. I do like this washi, and I thought I'd try a more monochrome setup just to see how that feels. So we'll see how that feels as I use the weeks. I really like this 6-box layout because you can put the 3 layers of washi in. What I would say though, I tend to do more at the weekends than during the week. So my preference is 7 boxes, but I like this setup, so I went for that. And that's it for February. Thinking about March already. We're only just into the start of February now. Thinking about that March setup. So be sure to keep an eye out for that. That will be coming soon.